Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Tuesday, January 24th, and I have lots of assorted things to share with you today. First up, you may be aware that we started doing the Sassy Sunflower half pack quilts. And so we have some new Sassy Sunflower packs to share, and then I have some samples of things that were made with them. So this pack is one of our newer packs. It's called Kasuri from the line of fabrics. And over the weekend, I put together this quilt, which is the hashtag pattern. And true and honest, it took me 2.5 hours start to finish, including cutting. So if you need a quick quilt that makes up and you can give it to anyone right away, this is a great pattern and it's a great program. This is another example of one of the patterns that comes with the Sassy Sunflower half packs. This is the Tippy Tote made by Georgia, and this is that half pack. So basically the deal is you buy a pack and then you choose your pattern, and then the packs work with every pattern that they sell. So the packs have 5 half-yard cuts in them, and they're enough to make whatever the pattern is. In my case, I only had a little bit of extra. In Georgia's case, she had enough to make a table topper when she was done with her tote bag. So we have a few new packs that have just been created. I just wanted to show you these options. And then there are 8 patterns in the Sassy Sunflower program. So there's lots of other things that can be made as well. I really like this one, Avocado Love. Very cute. Um, so we have lots and lots of packs to choose from, and then 8 patterns to choose from, and they always sell together. So when you buy a pack, you get a pattern, and they only come 1 for 1. So you can't just buy the pattern and you can't just buy the pack. So I'll link to that in today's description. We have 2 new cleaning tools today, which is really fun. This first one is a cleaning tool for wool mats. Now these are, of course, sealed mats, so I can't quite show you, but the idea is that you would just rub on your wool mat and pull off all the little lint and the little fibers. And this has kind of a frictiony edge on it. We actually tried it on Georgia's sweater and it seems to work for that too. But this is a great way to clean your wool pressing mats. So that's brand new in the shop, a cleaning tool. The next thing is a tool that cleans your cutting boards. So this is like a little silicone thing that you can just kind of stick on your hand, and then you can rub circles on your board and get off the little fibers that get stuck in the board. Or I know if you cut batting, the batting lines get everywhere. So you could use that to clean up the little batting pieces. So this one is called the mat cleaning pad. Go figure. So those 2 are also new things in the shop. Now we're on to today's fabric. This is called Steampunk Stitchery. And this is a really cute panel with lots and lots of words on it. But basically all these birds are personality types of quilters and sewists. So I love that bird with the iron for the body. Very cute. And this is I think the bottom it says Steampunk Secret Society Stitching something. Can't read it backwards. Secret Sisterhood Stitching Society. So you may find this to be a really fun thing to share with your bee members. Maybe you'll recognize yourself in one of the personality types, or make something for someone that may identify with one of those personalities. And then we have 3 bolts of fabric designed to go with this little panel. And I'll just show them to you like this because you get the idea. This is our 10th anniversary birthday week. So anniversary birthday, we can call it that. 10th anniversary, 10th birthday. Our 10th birthday of being in business is actually this coming Thursday. So we will have a nice sale that begins on Thursday, as well as all month long we are celebrating. So every single time you place an order with us in the shop or online, or every time you send us a postcard, you're entered for one of our weekly drawings for $100, or our big monthly drawing for $1,000 in gift cards to Cary Quilting Company. So be sure to place an order or send us a postcard before the month is up, and we hope to see you online or in person soon. Have a great afternoon. Bye.